So I'm getting me washing done today. Got it hanging in. What on earth is he doing? Babe! What are you doing now? What are you doing?
I'm going to make you a nice... It's going to be a surprise. I'm going to make you a nice breakfast.
You know you're not allowed in the kitchen.
Yeah, but I was looking in here the other day and I saw something.
Yeah?
It's like a pan thing.
Oh, goodness. Seriously?
Now, I didn't even know we had this. Why didn't you ever tell me we had this? It looks fantastic. It's called a Diablo. Diablo. So I'm going to make you a Diablo. And what you do, look, I just saw that. It said pizza pocket and breakfast and chimichurri. So I thought I'd make you something. Would you like that?
Oh, yeah, thanks, babe.
Alright, so I'm going to cook you up some breakfast somehow. Looked alright. I just saw a box the other day when I think you were in bed and I was looking for some snacks. Look. Oh, it's going to be really small. Do you want two or just one?
No, just the one, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'll cook you something up. Get out of the kitchen, come on.
Okay. Oh my god.
I'm trying to look at the instructions here, but there's a lot of foreign words and there's one picture, literally one picture, and it just shows that. Now, I'm guessing you're supposed to, I don't know, are you meant to use bread or rolls? You tell me. I'm going to use them because they're already round, aren't they? That'll fit in nicely, will that? We'll use a roll. So I guess you stick one there, one there. It's just like a toasty thing, isn't it? I don't even know what's in the fridge, to be honest with you. Alright, yeah. Eggs, mushrooms, ham, sorted. Is that chicken? No, I don't want to be... Right, yeah, we've got ham, mushrooms, and eggs. And loads of, like, you know, thingies to put in it. This is going to be alright, is this? So we've got some wonderful ham the other day. Look at that. Really good ham is that. Stick one of them on. Bit of mushroom. Now I'm only using one mushroom because these are massive. Look at that, that'll do. One mushroom. And then I think, from what I've been reading on here somewhere, you crack an egg over the top, the egg goes in there, and then you squeeze it all together and it comes out looking, well, something like that or that, I guess. This is going to be wonderful. She's going to love this. So I've tried to make like a little bit in the middle to put the egg in. Not right good with one hand with eggs, I'll be honest. Well, I'm not very good with eggs anyway. Oh, alright, it's gone a bit wrong. It don't matter as long as we don't get shell in it. That'll be fine. Oh, Mazzy! Mazzy! Oh, it's gone all over the floor. Oh, she's going to kill. Mazzy! Spoiled your surprise now, haven't I?
Oh, for the love of God, what have you done? What are you doing in here?
I'm making you... Well, you know what you're having now.
Yeah.
Completely spoiled your surprise. But don't worry, it's going to be a lovely meal at the end of it.
You've spoiled my carpet.
Right, it'll clean up, it's alright, it's only egg.
I'm keeping an eye on you now.
What?
What are you up to now?
I'm putting some pickle in it. I do like pickle with me ham.
What do you mean you? I thought this was for me.
Well, it is for you.
Okay.
But I'll probably eat it.
Yeah, you probably will, won't you?
So I'm putting a bit of
Yes.
that. So all you have to do now, I know you're here now, you've seen what I'm making you, so you might as well stay and film me. All you have to do now is close this. Do you want to get a close-up of this? Because this is the important action bit. You pull that over, look, and the bread goes on top of the bread, and you've got a perfect, like, round sandwichy bit.
Okay.
Hang on, will you just wipe that for me? It's disgusting. I've got it all over my hands.
Yes.
So I've made a sandwich for you. Now I'm going to turn it into a Diablo. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All you have to do, you turn the gas thing on, and spark it. Oh, well, you do. Oh, will you turn gas on for me? I don't know how to do it. That's exactly what I was just about to do. You turn gas on, and then you just put it on there, and it turns it from a sandwich into a toaster in minutes. In I don't know how many minutes.
Something's bubbling.
It will be bubbling, yeah, because it's cooking.
Honey.
Yeah.
Was you not supposed to trim all that off? You know, the sticky out bits.
No, you don't have to trim them off because you just turn it over. Look.
Oh my God!
What's that?
The fire alarm!
It's all right. Don't worry. Right, just turn that off a minute, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my.
So this is looking good so far. It's going nice and brown around the edges. Do you want to show them it going brown around the edges, Mazzy? Well, you can see it here, going nice and brown.
Oh God! Yeah. Oh, honey, is it supposed to smoke like that?
Yeah, because it's smoked. I think it's smoked ham. I'm not sure.
Do you recommend having the gas that high then, or?
It depends what you're cooking, really. I like to have things on a high heat if it's something really cold, because it warms it up quicker. If you've got something which is like room temperature rather than fridge temperature, just have it on a lower heat. But if it's been in the fridge, it's going to be freezing. So get your heat up high. It's nearly ready now. Just need to turn it a couple of times.
Honey.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be doing that?
Doing what?
Are you watching it?
Because I'm watching it. Smells lovely, doesn't it?
Will you stop talking to me and watch this? Look. Is it supposed to be doing that?
It just means it's nearly done. I think that's done.
Yeah, I think
done.
so.
So we turn heat off.
Yeah.
Are you ready? This is the magic moment. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
You open it up and look.
Oh wow.
It even says Diablo on it. I don't know how well you can see that. It says Diablo on it. Out it comes, Diablo. This is fantastic. And then you get a knife. And you cut it. Oh, it's toasty, Mazzy. Oh, you're going to love this. Check this out. Oh, man. Oh, hang on. There you go.
Is it cooked?
Is it cooked? That is cooked to perfection.
Try it.
No, it's your turn to try it.
Oh
I
no!
made it for you.
What, really?
Yeah, it's beautiful. What's wrong with it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go on, tuck in, love, tuck in.
Really? I can't see the egg.
The egg?
Yeah.
No, you won't be able to see egg. It don't look like it did when it went in it.
It's probably not cooked.
It will be cooked.
Okay. Oh, it's hot.
Mmm. You lucky girl. How's that? It's nice, isn't it? Told you it'd be nice. Do you want me to make you another one? What are you doing?
Don't film me! No, it's nice. It just got stuck down my throat.
That's lovely. You know that ham I used?
Yeah.
I turned it into bacon.
It do taste like
It is. It's bacon, isn't it? It's bacon and egg and mushroom. This is a breakfast one I've made. That's lovely. Hey, we're going to start using this every day.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's my new job. I'll start getting up in the morning and making us a breakfast in bed. Sorted. Diablo, get one of these guys. You probably can't get them anymore because it looks like it was made in 1968.
Yeah.
But yeah, what a great machine. Loving it. Ow. Bit hot. Will you tidy up?
Well, why? You're in the kitchen.
Yeah, I cooked it. At least you can do is tidy up.
No, this is twice now you've done. Babe!
I'm off for a break. I'm getting a bit stressed in there, to be honest with you.
This is. Oh, honey!